What's the best place to buy a patty in the Toronto area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022 in the Toronto area.
So now we are going to take you to Toronto. Now we asked, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery in Toronto? And you said, Alwyn's Bakery. Congratulations to you. Where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? Dun, 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 dun. Charlie's West Indian Food Limited. Congratulations. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant? You said Chubby's Jamaican Kitchen. Congratulations. What an interesting name. Then we asked, the best Jamaican Caribbean event you attended this year in Toronto. And of course, that was Caribana. Congratulations to all our winners in Toronto.